And we're live.
We are live.
How
Excellent.
about that?
All right. Hey, everybody. This is Dave Rubenstein, editor-in-chief of SD Times. This is another SD Times Live micro webinar, number 4 or 5 of our micro webinar series with ConnectALL, the value stream management company. Today, we are going to be answering the question, why do I need value stream management if I'm already implementing Agile? And what does value stream have to do with Agile anyway? So let's throw it over to Andrew Fuqua. He's the Senior Vice President of Products at ConnectALL to get us started.
Hey, thanks, Dave. Yeah, so a lot of the stuff here at this Agile 2022 conference is about being Agile or doing Agile. It's about how do I make Agile work and all the problems I'm having with Agile.
Go ahead. Oh, there's that spotty conference Wi-Fi again.
Improving. There's that spotty Wi-Fi. So with value stream management, the focus is on improving the flow of work through the value stream or improving the value stream itself. It just changes the focus. Agile is a tool that you can use that may or may not be helpful with value stream management, but I think value stream management is kind of putting the focus in a better place, not on the process itself.
Interesting.
Well,
So-
Andrew, aren't you fond of saying that what does Agile have to do with value stream management anyway? Nothing.
Yeah, I did a talk on that with that topic, but that's right. So Agile, like I just said, it's a tool, it's a technique, it's something you can use, but it's not necessarily, it's definitely not the same thing.
Right. We're
So
seeing some messaging
management is
these
a
days
higher
though,
order
about
thing.
how, I'm sorry, Andrew. Go ahead.
No, that was it. Good enough.
Okay. I couldn't tell if that was that spotty Wi-Fi or if you actually thought it was completed.
Actually,
But,
that's great, right, Norm?
That is awesome.
Yeah.
No, I'm sorry. I failed to introduce you at the beginning. You're Senior VP of Marketing there at ConnectALL. Thanks for joining us here today. But anyway, so a lot of people are saying that value stream management is a tool, technique, solution, whatever you want to call it, that can actually raise your Agile game. And perhaps, I don't know, Lance, maybe you can talk a little bit about that and if that is in fact the case.
Well, sure it is actually, because like Andrew said, it's just a tool, right? It's just a tool you use to be more efficient. It's something you put in place. And you can even look at your Agile processes and use value stream management to make them more efficient in your organization. Value stream is very simple. And I'll say it again. I'll probably say it another 50 times this year. Today, it's just the steps it takes, both value added and non-value added, to deliver software to the customer.
Mm-hmm.
So part of those steps are the things you do with your Agile, with your stand-ups, your ceremonies. Those are steps. That's part of it.
Mm-hmm.
And if you can look at those through the lens of making them more efficient, removing waste, whatever that is, and removing the non-value added pieces of what you put into your Agile processes to be more efficient, then absolutely. It's kind of like that whole thing we were talking about, how do developers care about value stream management, right?
Right.
What are we trying to do? We're trying to remove non-value added activities and make the developer do the one thing that is really valuable, and that's writing good, clean, secure code that they can put in production with their customers. So when you think about it, yeah, absolutely. Value stream management can help with your being more efficient, organizing around value streams or creating a value streams organizations in your transformations. Absolutely. But the root of what value stream management is, it's a continuous improvement process that we just embrace to be more efficient at whatever it is we decide to do. We just use it around software development delivery to help other people be efficient at that.
Great. So I don't know, what kind of traffic have you been seeing at your booth there at Agile 2022? And what kind of conversations are people, inquiring about?
Hey, so go ahead, Norm.
Yeah, I was going to say, so this has been really interesting for me because, having, I'm new to the company and people coming through the booth, some people, the coaches we've been talking to is like thanking us for getting the word out about value stream management because they're trying to make all these changes internally. And the whole concept of what we're saying about, see, measure, automate just really resonates with everybody. So getting that word across to everybody, they're thanking us for being here and spreading the word out because they've been struggling to do this in their companies. So, but it's been fun here. We're building Tinker Toys. We're having a Tinker Toy building contest here. You know, we've got a lot of action here, but it's been fun.
Excellent.
I've been having some really interesting conversations, David. So you know me, I'm kind of contrarian, right? So people are coming up to me and say, well, value stream management, this. And I'm like, no, that's not it. This is what it is. And I think I made somebody had a discussion about value stream networks with me too. And I'm like, well, what's that? So, you know, so one guy, I think one person did walk away frustrated, Andrew, from my conversation, didn't they? I believe so. But, you know, it's still in that state, Dave, that I talk about all the time. Where is it, value management or value stream management? And what are you trying to do? And I've heard somebody talk about earned value metrics, stuff that we're able to do, but we're still in that confusive state of what is value stream management and what can it do for organizations? And I think as we head into, you know, interesting times, being more efficient, delivering faster, more secure and higher quality code, and allowing the developers to work on those value added things. I think that's what it's all about. And yeah, the booth has just been rocking. Yesterday, we rocked the booth pretty good. You can see there's our booth.
Nice.
You know, we're showing off the designer a little bit. We're trying to get some people to do some free value stream management sessions. But I'm really excited about the next few webinars we do here with you on these. Just kind of hone in on some of those topics around what does the developer care about value stream management?
Right. Exactly. Well, good. So we're right up against time. So another micro webinar in the books. Thank you guys very much. Lance Knight, President and COO of ConnectALL, Andrew Fuqua, Senior Vice President of Product, and Norm Miglietta, the brand spanking new SVP of Marketing for ConnectALL. Thanks again, guys. And until next time, I'm Dave Rubenstein, editor-in-chief of SD Times. So long for now. Thanks, fellas.
Thank you, Dave.
Thank you.